Welcome back to another dinner, everybody.
I want to say something for the news.
Come.
Hi guys, you can only hear me, but I have 3 days left. And then 10 days more of different food before I eat food.
But you are on?
But I will survive.
You are on vlog?
I am on vlog.
Yeah?
I am on vlog.
Okay. Okay. I just want to show you this, guys. We have extra virgin olive oil.
Yes.
From Greece.
Yes.
His brother bought it for us.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, and then I have one more thing. This is pure मक्खन. मक्खन बोलता है ना जो fresh milk boil करके ऊपर में जो आता है. This is completely that one. I was trying to make. This is 5 kilo of milk, guys. I was thinking like I'm gonna do this and make butter and then make ghee. And then I don't know how to make butter. I tried to make it once and it all get kaput. So now I don't know what to do with this. Do you guys have any idea? Please let me know. ये सारा मक्खन है क्या करूँ इसके साथ? If you guys know anything, please let me know. Comment down below. My husband can eat this with bread. I don't know if I make it kaimak. But please guys, this is just makan, okay? I need your help. Help me out, please. Anyway, today's recipe is, like I said in my last mukbang, chicken curry and dal. So I have here mixed beans. Oh no. Okay guys, I'll be back. Let me pour all this in the cooker. So guys, I have here masuri dal, brown dal, moong dal, pinto beans, and white beans. That's it, yeah? And then mangan split peas. Okay? This is, first we are going to boil this. Not boil this, pressure cook this. Look at my ridiculous bay leaves. 2 bay leaves. A little bit of ginger. We'll try to make it the Nepali way, yeah? Nepali guys, please correct me if I'm doing anything wrong. And please don't get offended. Turmeric powder. Or should I add the hing now or later? I don't know. Maybe later, yeah? And some water. There we go. We're gonna add salt later also, right? So we're gonna pressure cook this. Okay? And now, this is the chicken curry. Unfortunately, my chicken is finished, so it's all bones. So it's bones, the backbones, I chopped it up, and then some feet, and I have here 1 whole onion chopped. We're gonna start cooking this chicken. It's for me and grandma, okay? Alright guys, the oil is hot. Now, let's add some cumin seeds, some dried chilies, bay leaves, okay, then some onion, Nepali people, please let me know in the comment section if anything is wrong, okay? I just want to eat that chicken curry so bad. I'm gonna try my best, okay? Alright, the onion is now soft. Let's add our chicken. We're gonna cook like this until the chicken change the color, okay? Ooh. Now we're gonna add some garlic and ginger paste. Smells so beautiful. Couple of minutes, we're gonna cook this and then we'll add our masalas, okay? Alright guys, oh, smelling so beautiful. Let's season this with salt. And then masalas. I have here turmeric powder, chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and meat masala. Okay? Not meat masala, what do you call it? Curry powder. Okay? Mix it well. Mix. Gonna reduce the heat a little bit because my handi is like very thin at the bottom. Everything just got stuck and burned, which I don't like at all. If I go home to India, I will buy those handi, like maybe 4, 5, 6. Oh, smells so good now. Babe, can you smell it? Smells good, yeah? Let's add our tomatoes. Not too much, just a little bit. This is organic tomatoes from our farm. So they don't look very pretty, but yeah. Okay, now we're gonna cook this until all the tomatoes are soft. Alright guys, let's add some water. Not too much, huh? Thoda sa pani. Go. Now we're gonna cook this until the water reduces and the chicken is cooked. Our Nepali style chicken curry is ready. Look. There you go. We're gonna finish off with some coriander leaves, dhania, and that's it. It's done. It smells so good already. Nepali people, if I'm doing anything wrong, please let me know in the comment section, okay? Guys, there's a thunderstorm outside again. I hope it rains good so that it will be beneficial for my garden, especially the farm. Okay, so we're gonna make a tadka for the dal, yeah? Tempering. So I have your cumin seeds, dried chilies, then garlic, a little bit of ginger, and then chives. I use this chives because I saw you guys using chives in some of your dal, cooking dal, okay? Especially I've learned this from the vlog Bhumi vlog, something like that. They live in the mountain and they use this chives for their dal. That's where I learned this, okay? Anyway, alright. By the way, let's add a little bit of hing, okay? There you go. Hi guys, welcome back to another mukbang again. Why am I always laughing like that? I don't know. Anyway, let me make prepare for the bones. Okay, so today we have Nepali style chicken curry. I gave half to grandma, okay? And then we have here fresh salata, and then dal and dal bhat, okay? So aji to Nepali khana, yeah? So first dal. Guys, I'm not like the typical mukbang people who do mukbang from Northeast, okay? I eat a lot, like I can eat food from around the world. I don't mind. So yeah, I'm not gonna be like sticking on to like oh, this is Nordic food and I'll just eat bamboo shoot and pork. I'm not like that. Okay, you'll see me eating a lot of like different types of food from around the world, and if you're interested, come along. We don't know what's gonna be the next menu. So here, this chicken curry turns out so good, you guys, so good. Here, fresh salads, and then we have here boiled veggies. Okay, so 아직도 Nepali khana. Let's say dal bhat and chicken curry, yeah? I am going to be eating a lot of food, but it's not gonna just be about Nordic food. I'll be eating food from around the world. Bon appetit, everybody. This chicken curry today, it's so good. This time all my chickens are like mostly bones. Check 바지头是好不多。So good. So good.